Well. It's another beautiful day, and I welcome you back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are happy. We are harvesting our maize. We had to let them dry in the farm so that we can go and harvest them when they're already dry. So it's about an acre of a land, and all the maize have done so well. I have family members and also people that I've hired so that we can finish the thing quickly, the harvesting. So harvesting is not easy because you'll enjoy it, you'll be happy, you're harvesting your maize, but you'll be so tired. The fingertips, the body pains, and all that. But we thank God because it's food. We never get tired, okay? Yes. So the rainy seasons are over. Our plants have done so well. And we thank God for all His grace. So we are waiting again for another beautiful day that the Lord has made. When He'll bring back rain, we shall go back and plant again. We have not done the irrigation in our farm, and there's no water around there. But maybe in the future, that's what we will do so that we can have crops each and every time, not depending mostly on the rain. So my viewers, I thank you so much for watching. I thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And I thank you so much for your love. I love you guys. Bye-bye. Views.